Ready, set, go.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
What's up, YouTube? Back at y'all boys with another video. We're doing a challenge today. So you got to be able to pick up the most trash in the backyard and you get a prize. But everybody is a winner. We got candy. Everybody's gonna get something. So, but this is a car channel until we get the family channel going. So, what kind of car are you gonna be, brother? You gotta pick. Okay, so we got a Corvette. All right, Corvette, you get right here. Get ready to go.
You a Honda? Nah. You want a Honda?
Corvette's out the way. All right, right there.
The Corvette is out the way.
All right, what kind of car are you?
Mustang.
A Mustang. All right. Let's see if I can remember all these. I should have wrote them down. Next, what kind of car are you?
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. Oh shoot, we got a Lamborghini. We got Corvette. We got Mustang, Lamborghini. What kind of car are you?
The El Camino.
Yeah, El Camino. Okay. You're old school. What kind of car are you?
McLaren.
McLaren. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Golly.
I'm the slowest supercar.
All right. Well, there's no time limit. Just whoever ends up with the most trash wins the challenge. Y'all ready?
Yes.
Set, go. You better, hey, the El Camino going slow, man. You better hurry. Lamborghini, Mustang. Oh, Mustang moving, McLaren. Brother, I already forgot what you was.
Corvette.
Oh yeah, he the bet. Oh, we had a bet in a Lamborghini wreck.
El Camino.
Probably gotta help that El Camino. Come on, El Camino.
You got this El Camino. Pick up everybody's trash. Grass comfort.
No, don't, not the grass. Bones, everything. Everything counts. I'm getting ready to eat somebody's chips. If it was broken, it would count. It's not broken. There go a top. You gotta look. There goes some cotton too. Look, all right here. All the cotton. Look at all this stuff on the ground right here. Y'all doing good. Y'all doing good. Okay, I say we're gonna keep it to a 5-minute minimum. So we got like 30 more seconds.
Talking about? I don't know.
Where's the McLaren at?
I don't know. McLaren is coming out. My legs hurt.
A McLaren out of gas.
Yes, I am. I'm not out of gas.
Dang, the Corvette got everything. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's turn it in. Let's turn it in. Look at that slow Mustang. Oh man, I'm just messing with you. All right, come on.
Pick off.
All right. It don't matter. We can do it right here.
Dump it out.
No, 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 no. Don't dump it out. Okay. Somebody, hold on. Golly, I can already see who won. Okay. It's all right. Hey, y'all act like sore losers. All right. Here, hold this. All right, let's see what El Camino got. Oh,
That's good.
That's good. That's good.
Good, Waddy. Good job,
Good
Waddy.
job. Good job.
Good job, Waddy. Good job, Waddy. Good job, Waddy.
Good job.
For participating.
All right.
Trash.
That is trash. That is trash. Okay, let's see how big your bag is. Let's see what the Mustang got. That's pretty good chunk. Pretty good chunk. All right, good job, Mustang Tootie. All right. This girl. All right, Samari. Let's see what Samari got. What kind of car was you again?
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. Okay, let's see what Lamborghini got. All right. Between the girls, Lamborghini, Mustang, who y'all think won?
Mustang. Mustang. Yeah, I think the Mustang.
Think the Mustang won?
Wait, is that the Lamborghini? You have a Mustang. She's the Lamborghini.
I think Tootie got you. She got a little bit more.
Yeah, Tootie was over here. Y'all didn't even check under the bike. I picked up a pink bike that had a whole bunch of scratch all over it. What?
Let me see. This is Samari. Samari actually got more trash, but Tootie got
Bigger stuff.
yeah.
Bigger.
But her bag is full of. I think Tootie won. Y'all clap for Tootie. Clap.
Yeah, good job, Samari. Good job, Samari and Tootie. Good job.
There you go.
Tootie.
There you go. All right, all right.
Be grateful.
Be grateful, be grateful. No sore losers. We got El Camino. We're doing the boys now. El Camino. We got McLaren. Uh-oh.
Corvette.
Hold this real
That
quick.
Corvette got a whole bunch of stuff in there. I'm going.
Okay, let me see. All right. Corvette. Golly, man. I think we see what happened there.
Yeah.
All right. I think Corvette won that challenge. Hey, yes, always another one. There you go. There you go. Everybody clap. Everybody clap. Good job, everybody.
What about me?
All right, y'all. Y'all stay tuned, man. Look for our family channel coming soon. Coleman Crew, Silky Smooth Gang, and we out this joint.
Peace. Peace.